Python is a widely used, high-level programming language that has a wide range of applications in various fields. As a result, Python developers are in high demand and play a crucial role in many industries. Some of the key reasons for the importance of Python developers include data science and machine learning, web development, automation and scripting, IoT and embedded systems, scientific computing, education and research. Overall, Python developers are in high demand and play a crucial role in many industries, making it an important skill for anyone looking to pursue a career in technology. To become a Python developer in 2023, you can follow these steps. Firstly, learn the basics of Python programming. Start by learning the syntax and basic data structures in Python such as lists, dictionaries, and tuples. Secondly, familiarize yourself with Python libraries and frameworks. Popular libraries and frameworks in Python include Django, Flask, and NumPy. Next phase is practice. Write code to solve problems and build small projects. Participate in online coding challenges or hackathons to test and improve your skills. Now, it's time to learn object-oriented programming, OOP, concepts. OOP is a key programming paradigm used in Python, and understanding it will help you build robust and scalable applications. Get familiar with databases and SQL. Knowledge of databases and SQL is crucial for a Python developer, as Python is commonly used for web development and data analysis. Keep learning and stay updated. Technology evolves quickly, and it's important to keep up with the latest developments in the Python community. Read blogs, attend meetups and conferences, and participate in online forums. Final step is build a portfolio. Showcase your skills and projects on platforms like GitHub and LinkedIn, as it will help you stand out to potential employers. In this way, you can become a Python developer in 2023.